Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn on talkback in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. To turn on talkback, we have to go to Settings, then we are looking for Accessibility Functions, here Accessibility, and at the top we have our talkback application. As you can see, here is a little tutorial what to do and how to do. Basically, we have to tap this little checkbox on, yes allow, yes turn on, and now talkback option is turned on. So I hope you like video, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.